Raisa Valverde and Max De La Torre. Coach Raisa, congratulations for this first victory. What can you say? After 3 games, you finally get over this one.
First of all, of course, we have to give credits to the players because nasunod naman namin yung game plan namin. And it feels good to be here. Ganito pala pakiramdam ng nanalo. So, hahanap-hanapin ko yung ganitong feeling. But of course, syempre, lahat naman yun, itong panalo namin, it's because what the players did naman inside the court.
Okay, to Max, you had 16.7 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 steal. So, ano nga nasabi mo ngayon? After 3 games, nakakuha niya na itong panalo to. Siyempre, first week to pa ito ng bagong coach for Jexy.
Sinabi ko sa amin ni Dr. Kapon, wala akong makikis, hindi dapat manalo. And yung game na noon, inaalay ko namin kay Joseph.
Coach, and nga po first week po in your new year. So how does it feel na po to finally get over that hump for that first elusive win po?
Yeah, like what Maxine said, nakasulat sa game plan namin, all capital, it's time to win. Okay? So we know that dalawang games in the first 2 games, talo kami. And sabi ko sa kanila, itong remaining games namin, winnable siya. We just have to stick with our system, we just have to stick with our game plan para at least hopefully makuha namin itong momentum na to going to our next